Gorgeous. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I made this lovely necklace. In our materials, I have round pearls and they are 8mm. I have 11 seed beads and bicones and they are 4mm. I have chain, clasp, and I already put the jump ring, my beading needle number 11, and this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. For this project, I'm going to use a very long thread. So I put my stopper and I leave 52 inches length of tail. And I'm going to work first here. And please check the description box for the total length of thread I use and the list of materials. First, I pick up 4 bicones and 4 seed beads and I put it alternate. Then I'll pick up two seed beads, pearl, and 1 seed bead. Then skip seed bead, pass through pearl, then seed bead, then pick up 1 seed bead and pass through bicone, pass through 11 then pick up bicone, 11 seed bead, bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, and bicone. Bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, and bicone. Exit to bicone, then pick up 2 seed beads, pearl, and 1 seed bead. Then skip seed bead, pass through pearl and the first seed bead. Pick up 1, then pass through bicone, seed bead, Then pick up one bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, and bicone. Then pick up two seed bead, one pearl, and one seed bead. Skip seed bead, pass through pearl, and one. Pick up one, then pass through bicone, exit two seed bead. Then pick up bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, bicone, seed bead, and bicone. Oops, no. Exit to bicone. Then pick up another two seed bead, one pearl, and one seed bead. Skip, pass through pearl, one seed bead, pick up one, pass through bicone, seed bead, so I'm going to continue adding my beads until I have 9 pearls. So I completed nine pearls, and my thread is coming out. I pick up 5, then pass through first, pick up 1, pass through 3, pick up 1, then I'll pick up another 5, pass through first bead, pick up 1, then pass through 3, then pick up another 1, so I'm going to continue making diamond shape until I have 6.5 inches length. So I completed 6.5 inches length of the strand. And I'll pick up 5. Then I can attach the chain. I'll do one more. So I'm going to pass through some of the beads, make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread. And then I'm going to start making a strand here, 6.5 inches. And also I can attach the clasp. Hope you like it. And the size, the length of the necklace is 17 inches. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.